Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are vlogging. I just woke up and I didn't even brush my teeth, so I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I've been so MIA. I've actually been just posting videos that I haven't really gotten to edit yet, so I went ahead and started putting those videos out. Why I haven't really been posting for a month, and I've just now started posting like videos about like me vlogging and older videos, because I didn't, like I said, didn't have time to post, and I really wasn't in the I didn't feel like posting, so that's why it's been a month since I've posted. But yes, Korra, a lot has happened since I've last posted, and pretty much we are in the process of moving. As you guys can see, we are downstairs, and upstairs is pretty clear. If you guys didn't know, in my vlog I told you guys to guess where we're moving to, but if you haven't been following me on Instagram, you probably don't know where I'm moving to. But we are moving to San Diego. We have about like 2 months left here in Hawaii. Yeah, so the movers came and packed up all of our things, so we just been cleaning up, getting ready for like house inspection, and making sure like everything is cleared and everything is ready to go, and the house can be ready for the next people that move in here. Today I'm just gonna be cleaning up a majority of the things. Today is Friday and we have until Monday for house inspection, so I just gotta make sure like majority of the things are out of here. You guys can see it's like messy because we have our luggages, we have like random stuff, and yeah, the air mattresses that we've been sleeping on downstairs in the living room. So, and I also have to get my yard cut, which is going to happen tomorrow, because they actually want the grass to be like 1/4 of an inch long, and it's pretty long right now. For the month of April, we're actually gonna be staying at my parents' house, and then we're gonna leave Hawaii in May. So yeah, my brother and my dad is actually coming to grab some things from here, so yeah. Mommy, Korra's been extra clingy ever since the packers came and grabbed our things. She's been super clingy, and I think it's because she's not used to the routine, like what's going on. She's used to her routine. She's not used to us sleeping downstairs, so she's like, what's going on? So she's been extra clingy, and I think also she's like going through a milestone, or like I follow her with this app called Wondersweet, and she's going through like a leap, not a leap year, she's going through a leap. It says she's gonna be extra clingy. So Kimira, what you guys want for breakfast? You don't know what you want for breakfast? Look at this counter. I feel like my counter is never clean. I feel like every time I clean my counter, it ends up getting messy. Like, what? Why? This is our cabinet. I've been trying to get rid of food, but I still have a lot inside my cupboards. My dad like emptied everything and put it in trash bags in here, so I'm just need to get. I know, and I still have a freezer. My freezer's still full. I gotta empty that out. Empty this out. Mary, watch out. I'm gonna empty that. I still have to go and get an air filter. I totally forgot to, not an air filter. I forgot to put a new fridge filter. Kamden, no.
No, there's a bowl.
You need what? There's no more bowl. Yeah. Meanwhile, Korra's playing. Alright guys, I just got done cleaning my garage with my brother and my dad, and I'm already tired. We just cleared up a lot. There was like a centipede and a cockroach. I can't with those. Yes? Stop spraying that, Kamden. Can you put it on the counter, please? Thank you. Thank you. High five. Uncle Charles? You went with Grandpa. What are you looking for, Korra? Hey, go, Korra, hey. Careful, Korra. Come on, Korra. Yeah, water? Here, one. Thank you. Are you thirsty? You want some water? I'm supposed to be putting my luggage away, but I'm over here messing around. That's why I can't get things done. I get like easily distracted. I can't just focus on one task. I end up going off and doing another thing versus like sticking to one thing that I'm supposed to be doing, which is supposed to be organizing my luggages so my dad can take it to his house. But I'm over here sitting on the stairs because, and like I said, I didn't even eat yet. I gotta watch Korra. We gotta change her. You gotta change her diaper now.
How my sister
You want that one? Well, today for lunch, they are eating Daya pizza. That's what it looks like. Daya pizza. And Kamden, Kimira.
Stop being annoying, Kamden, right now.
I'm gonna cool this in the freezer, Kamden, because the pizza's so hot. Kamden wants me to blow the pizza, but I'm just gonna put it in the freezer so it cools down a little bit. But this is the pizza that they're eating. I'll show you guys. I had to use this because, like I said, they packed up all their stuff, so I had to use the box. But this is the pizza that they're eating. Daya thin crust gluten-free pizza. Meatless pepperoni style. Dairy, soy, and gluten-free. Yeah. You're welcome. Careful. You guys like it? It's good, huh? For me, guys, I made enchiladas. This is like day 2 of enchiladas. But what I did was, for the meat, I used jackfruit inside, and I used the Daya cheese to cover the top, and I used the sauce from the sauce that I used for the jackfruit. I got a recipe off of YouTube. She made vegan birria tacos. So what I did was I used her recipe for the jackfruit, and I just put it inside the flour tortilla. Since I put that video out where I don't eat meat, I literally, guys, have not eaten meat since that video. So I'm really proud of myself because I thought I was gonna cave, but obviously I didn't. And for breakfast, normally I'm eating like oatmeal and bananas, or sometimes I don't even eat breakfast and I just like drink water and I take my Verb energy bars before I work out. And then after that, I go ahead and make a smoothie, or I do something like that. Like, I want to show you guys my enchilada. I'm gonna cut it real quick so I can show you guys the inside. I have like refried beans, but I don't have any. I had to get rid of it because I didn't have a can opener. But as you guys can see, I just put cheese and the jackfruit inside. It's so good. So use this. I don't have a vegan sauce yet, so I'm just gonna use this taco sauce. And I just put like that. And eat it. So good. Guys, Kamden's actually taking a nap, but Kimira's feeding the chickens. Mira, don't put them everywhere. These chickens come to our house like every day. They didn't come to our house yesterday. We were like looking for them, but they're here now.
Yeah, that's because
they're here.
Luke's, that's because Luke's dad told us it was sleeping over here.
And we normally feed them like every single day with rice. You're not. The mama wants like a lot of it. Like that. Kimira, you like it's like you were throwing seeds into the grass.
Oh yeah.
She wants like actual like where she can grab it.
Yeah, but sometimes they like pack the floors. But that's the one Daddy had, right, Mommy? The one that stays alone all the time, right, Mommy?
Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you followed my Instagram, these are the chickens that actually ended up going into our house when the movers were here. So when the movers were, sorry guys, I can barely see, but when the movers were here, the door was open, right? And we were eating lunch upstairs in the room, and then the movers were in the garage, so the door was like wide open. I had a feeling the chickens were gonna come inside the house, and they ended up coming inside the house. So one of her chicks actually got stuck in the house. And if you guys saw my Instagram video, like my Instagram story.
This chicken is big, right, Daddy? Well, Dad, there's a chicken in our house.
Oh, you guys saw that my husband's trying to get the baby chick out of the house. So these are the chickens that were in the house.
They're cute.
Yeah, I forgot which one it was. I think it was that last one right there.
The one that is...
The one on that side? I think that was. I'm not sure.
You mean the one
They all look the same.
I'm trying to get like a big cloud. Like you.
Korra, say hi.
They're all right.
Korra, say hi, chicken. What happened?
Oh, you mean like the little chicks? They like little puddles, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
But the big mama, she's like a big pile. The motorcycle
Korra,
gang.
give me some more.
The
Korra, give me some more. Korra, give me some more.
The motorcycle gang, Mommy. They're here.
She's gonna eat all this rice. Who's behind there? Oh, baby chick.
Oh, that's the one Daddy hit, right, Mommy?
I'm not sure.
It's like shaking.
No, Mira, it's just shaking its feathers. So I have to go and get a water filter because it's supposed to be changed out and mine is like red. So I have to go right now and go get one, which is kind of annoying. Why can't they do that? Anyways, guys, so they ended up having the water filter that normally they don't have the water filter, but surprisingly they have the water filter. But yeah, they actually have it. So home.
Oh, I think it's actually one.
They're here? Look, they're still here, guys. Look at that. They're in the bushies. Hi! I'm trying to get rid of hair products. I just got a package and I unboxed it and look what I got. More hair products. I just forwarded my address to my parents' house. It's nighttime. It's 6:44 and I just got done almost cleaning out the freezer. I was wiping it down. Can you see that? I was wiping it down. I cleaned the bottom. Just kept some of the stuff my mom might want in her house, so I just kept that. But I dumped everything in the trash bag right there. Tomorrow I'm going to do the fridge because we still have it's like super full and I gotta clean it. But yeah, I'm trying to already pack some bags of like some stuff that I still have. Maybe my mom might want. I was gonna throw out this flour, but I wasn't sure. I didn't want to waste it. I still need to get the kids showers, so it's crazy. I'm trying to vlog. See, that's why I haven't really been posting because I've been so busy, guys. Been so busy trying to get the house ready with my husband. Right now he's on duty, so it's just me by myself trying to get everything done. Yeah, I've done good. I did a lot today, so with the help of my dad and my brother. So just gonna go ahead and wash the dishes and then get the kids ready for bed. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be the night. I wanted to watch a movie before bed, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I'm already tired. I'm already wanting to lay down. So we'll see. Yeah. All right, guys. Okay, guys. So we are officially done cleaning the house. My husband turns the keys in tomorrow, but